Welcome to Sayo College for our Christmas special recipe week. Today we are going to see one of the classic chicken recipe which is known as chicken Cordon Bleu. My name is Chef Aniket Sawant. Let me share with you some interesting facts about this recipe. It is originally introduced in Switzerland in 1940, but in the books of recipes it was introduced in 1949. It is a type of roulade, but roulades are served cold, but this chicken cordon bleu is to be served hot. For chicken cordon bleu, you require chicken breast, spinach, cheese, refined flour, egg, breadcrumbs, and some seasonings. In authentic recipe, ham is added, but if you are not comfortable with pork, you can add spinach in that.
We will give the butterfly cut to our chicken breast. Now we will place the clean foil on a chopping board. Place the breast piece on your clean foil. And we will flatten the chicken breast with the help of hammer. The hammering should be done on the edges of the chicken breast, so it will help to get a proper roll and there will be evenly thickness on every side. Season your breast piece with salt, pepper. Season from both the sides. Now we will blanch our spinach. For blanching, we will take a bowl and fill it with water. Once our water gets on a boiling temperature, we will add our spinach in it. Remove the spinach in quick time and add in a cold ice water. It will maintain the color of your spinach. Now place your chicken breast on clean foil and layered with spinach. Now we will add the cheese in our second layer. Now start rolling the chicken breast with the help of clean foil. Make sure the roll of which you are making should be tight enough. Once we finish with the roll, we will keep it in a refrigerator for 30 minutes.
For making sauce, you will require 30 grams of butter, 30 grams of refined flour, 300 ml of milk, some cheese, salt and pepper for seasoning.
For making white cheesy sauce, we will take one saucepan. First we will add butter. Once it gets quite melting point, add refined flour to it. Make sure the color of your mixed refined flour and butter does not change. Now add milk in it. Make sure there should be no lumps in your mixture. Now we will add the seasoning. First we will add salt and crushed ground pepper. Now we will add cheese to it. Do not overboil the sauce as it will get thickened up quickly. Now we will the coating of our rolled chicken. First we will take refined flour, we will add salt in it and black pepper. Then the second layer will be of egg. Take 2 eggs and whisk it properly. You can adjust the seasoning. And now the third layer of coating is of breadcrumb. After 30 minutes, take out your rolled chicken. Dip your roll in first coating, that is of refined flour. Then give a quick egg wash to it. And last will be of breadcrumb. We have heated a pan with oil. Now we start frying it. We should fry each side for maximum 5 minutes. Now we will turn and see nice crisp and golden color. Once we have done with frying, remove the chicken on a tissue paper so it will absorb excess oil from it. Now start cutting the roll. You can garnish your plate with a spinach. Place your cordon in a specific style. Now pour your white sauce over your chicken cordon bleu. And it is ready to serve. And garnish with chives. You can serve the sauce on a sauce bowl.
So everyone, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do try this at home and post your photos on Instagram, and don't forget to tag Sahyog College of Management Studies. Thank you. On behalf of Sahyog College of Management Studies, I, Chef Aniket Sawant, wishes you a Merry Christmas.